Hi everyone! Today we are doing my first baking video and we are making this perfect moist spice cake. So if you want to follow along the way, but all it is just box cake. So first we're going to use the cake mix, which I will open up right now. Pour it in. Then you go to the fridge, you get 3 eggs. There we go. 3 eggs. 2. And now you add your water and your oil. And now you get your whisk of choice. And we just mix. Yep. Mix. Now the instructions say to use a cake mixer, but I am lacking one, so we're just using a whisk. Your batter should look a little like this. No clumps. Just needs a little more mixing. And now, what we do, take the pan you are using and pour it. Now, what I normally would do is I would take a rubber scraper, scrape along the sides of the bowl, just like that, to make sure I get all of it in there. All up in there. Just like that. And just like that. And now, preheat it. So preheat it to 350. And now all we do is wait for the oven to preheat. Usually it'd be preheated by now, but I forgot to preheat it in the beginning. Now, while you wait, always make sure you clean up your mess. Just like that. Now, before, just a huge FYI, always make sure you spray your tin, or else the cake will stick, which is not what we want. While we wait, we now grab Biscoff cookies. Not sponsored, but you grab your Biscoff cookies. And then you grab something to smash them with. What I like doing is I like going for the classic mug. Actually, best way to do this is a Ziploc bag. So something like this. And now I'm actually gonna do this off camera, because my phone is shaking a lot. So I'll be right back with smashed Biscoff cookies. Alright, cookies are now smashed. This is what they look like. Still waiting on the oven, but make sure you have little to no big chunks. And now what we do, puff to the side. Sounds like the oven's almost done, so we'll be putting it in just a little bit. What we'll do before we put the cake in, we're gonna Sprinkle some, like so. Alright, so the oven just went off. So now we're gonna put the cake in for 20 minutes to start. And I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. Alright guys, it has been 20 minutes. And this is how the cake looks. And I test it. Comes out clean. Not a single crumb of cake.
Had to end the video due to storage. Couldn't record me frosting the cake sadly. It was really good though. But that's it for today. Bye!